last video in the digital marketing case study, we have looked upon the data set. We have taken the notes on the data set. We have looked at the key terms in the digital marketing case study. We have studied the key performance indices there. Then we have gone through the Google Data Studio. We have created the KPIs formulas in the data. Then we have created some scorecards visualization on it. In this video, we will see some line charts and bar charts. So firstly, we will see a combined chart of the bar chart and the line chart, in which we will see the click-through rate and clicks through the week periods of time. So we will go to the add a chart option and we can select the combo chart right here, or we can go to the insert option and select the combo chart right here. But in the add a chart option, we can see the visualization format that how our chart will look. So we will select it. We will paste it right here. Here you can see that we have data range, dimension, matrices, sorting, etc. So firstly, we will show the data range dimension. We want it by the week, okay. But here in x-axis, it is showing by the campaigns, and we want it by the weekly format. So here in the data section, we will write week and select week here. Now it is showing by the week. We want the click-through rate and clicks. So click-through rate and clicks is automatically coming by chance. So now we will go to the click-through rate as it is showing as sum, but the aggregation is average. So we will do the average of it. Now by the sorting, you can see it is showing by the clicks sorting, but we want it by the weekly basis. So we will select and put the week here. Now you can see that it is by weekly. So this is created. Next we will create the cost and the payment in the line chart format. So we will add a chart and we want 2 or 3 lines. So here we are taking the line chart. We will paste it right here, and we want the cost and payment visualization on the basis of weeks. So dimension is again campaign is coming, but we want it by week. So we will put week here. We want the cost and the payment. So here we will write it as cost. We will add one more matrix, that is our payment. You can see cost and the payment is there. Payment is done on the quite few weeks. Here we can also add return on investment, and we will do sorting it by the week only. Here we can see the different points are right here. So instead of point, we can change it, change the style to the bar format. I think it would be better. So for the series 2, bar is right here, and for the series 3, the bar will be right here. So you can see that this is our return on investment, or the small bars. This is our cost and the payments. So this seems pretty fine. We will do the show points. So the points is showing the labels. We want to show the return on investment labels. So we will show the labels right here, that is return on investment. And for the bar graph, we also want to show the labels, so we can do the show label data. So this is done. Same thing for the first one. We want show data labels for the clicks. So this is the click show data labels, and this seems fine here. So we have created these two bar charts right here. So we will adjust, we will select all these 3 things. We will adjust it right here. and we will adjust our one bar graph right here and second bar graph right here. So this seems pretty good. We will extend it out from left to right. Same thing for here. So this seems fine. So in this video we have seen the bar graph and the line graphs. So in the next video we will see some the donut or the pie charts. So till then keep learning.